Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. This video will show you what diagnostic code 60 means for a gate that won't move. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. This video continues our series on troubleshooting LiftMaster gate operators. Access the diagnostic display on the main control board. Diagnostic code 60 indicates that the minimum number of entrapment protection devices have not been installed. This condition is usually seen in new installations. To be UL 325 compliant, 2 monitored safety entrapment protection devices must be installed at all entrapment zones. The inherent reversing system in LiftMaster gate operators counts as one device. An entrapment zone is defined as a location where a person can be caught or held in a position that increases the risk of injury. For a swing gate operator to function, the operator requires a minimum of 1 external monitored entrapment protection device to be installed in either direction where an entrapment zone exists. As of August 1, 2018, for a slide gate operator to function, the operator will require a minimum of 2 external monitored entrapment protection devices, 1 in the open direction and 1 in the closed direction. Every gate installation is unique. It is the responsibility of the installer to ensure all entrapment zones are protected with 2 entrapment protection devices. If not, the gate operator will not move. All safety device input LEDs for the main and expansion boards will flash. To resolve this condition, install a monitored photoelectric sensor or edge sensor. There is no need to power the unit off when connecting entrapment protection devices. When a device has been connected, the input LEDs will stop flashing. Run the operator to clear the code from the diagnostic display. Code 60 is not stored in the diagnostic code history. If a photoelectric sensor is connected and you are receiving this diagnostic code, please check the connection for a loose wire. Program limits and adjust the force if you have not already done so. When you finish servicing an operator, be sure to access the diagnostic code history and clear it. Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. Remember to visit us on the web at liftmaster.com or the dealer extranet.